Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Facebook app stuck on loading or spinning circle. First of all, try switching between networks. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it rules out network issues. Then try connecting with a more stabler network so the app runs smoothly and it won't be stuck on loading spin. Now if that does not work, close and reopen the app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find Facebook and then swipe it away, then reopen it. This fixes temporary glitches. After that, you're going to clear your cache. If it still does not work, go to settings and then search for iPhone storage. Go to Facebook, click offload app, and this is how you clear your app cache. Next, head over to your app store if that does not work, and make sure that your Facebook is updated to the latest version. Now if none of these methods that I've shown you don't work, then just go ahead and restart your iPhone. After restarting your phone, make sure your screen is loading perfectly again and it is not stuck. Safety tip: do not leave public Wi-Fi logged in unattended. Quick fix: log out and log back in, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.